Good afternoon, it's Captain Knox here from Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we have a Generation 20 system, the one that's going to Mike Ellis from Oz Minerals in South Australia. He's the procurement officer from Oz Minerals. It's a Generation 20 system producing a very large amount of gas right now, running at 12.4 volts and 20 amps. Sorry, 24 amps. It's quite a good supply actually. This new power supply, as you can see, I'll move this across to the side. New power supply is a die-cast aluminium box. I'll lift the lid and show you. There's a new power supply inside there. It's a 8 FET system in total. Sorry, 7 FET system in total. It's rated with 50 amps and 24 volts maximum. Die-cast aluminium enclosure means heat dissipation is excellent. Heat is well dissipated. Mumbling my words. Current control, frequency control. Set the frequency control to just off maximum, so it's running at 1 or 1/8 of its maximum frequency, and the current I can control using this potentiometer. Bring it down to 0. We'll bring it up to my required current. Currently running at 24 amps. The meter, by the way, is not quite right. It's running about 2 amps extra. Okay, it's a nice sealed system. Water, put into the recycling container. I won't open it right now to show you, but there's distilled water in there, or rainwater. There's 11 grams of potassium hydroxide per litre of water into that. And recycling system, drainage tube here if you need to unplug it and drain the fluid out. Not that you ever need to do so. It's a voluntarily well-etched system and a well-protected system. My system, I haven't changed the fluid in mine for about the last 3 years. I've added the water to it, but that's all. No need to clean it out. It's as clear as. You can tell the condition of the water because the water will actually go a brown colour when it starts to oxidise the plates. These plates have been chemically etched and protected, as well as the fact they're stainless steel 316L, which means they are even more resistant to corrosion. Okay, nice little unit. This unit sells for $3,450 in a plastic enclosure, $3,500 in a steel enclosure, and $3,650 in an aluminium checker plate aluminium enclosure. More than enough gas here to power a truck up to or larger than 8 litres. This is the second largest system we manufacture. The biggest system is actually the Generation 30 system, which is custom made and designed to run at 240 volts and 60 amps. Again, that's custom made, and so the price, I can't give you a price on that because it depends upon the size of the unit you want and also upon the voltage and current, just the basic dimensions. The system is made from high density polyethylene, as you can see here, space age stuff, very, very resistant to corrosion and very resistant to attack by chemicals. Stainless steel brackets, in fact stainless steel is everywhere. Stainless steel mounting brackets on there, stainless steel on the back side there. The tank itself is actually made of high density polyethylene also, and the tubing is 10mm gas tubing, high density polyethylene gas tubing that is used by trucks, by the air brakes. Very, very efficient system. I shouldn't have this tank on top because it might fall over, so I'll put it over to the side. While I rotate this, you can see this system actually goes into an aluminium box, plastic box or steel box. Very neat system. I can be contacted through my email. That's glknox@dodo.com.au or on my phone 040 317 7183. Or through my webpage www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. Today is Sunday the 28th of August, I believe. 29th of August. Hope you're having a great day today, and hopefully I'll hear from you soon. Have a great day. Goodbye.